Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Namecheap for domain management productivity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Namecheap website. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter your desired domain name into the search bar. Click the search icon to see if your domain is available. If the domain is available, you will see a confirmation message. Click the Add to Cart button next to the domain you want. You can choose additional services like email hosting if needed. Once you have selected all desired services, click on the shopping cart icon. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct. Click the Checkout button to proceed to registration. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're new to Namecheap, select the option to create a new account. Fill in your personal information as required. Make sure to create a strong password for your account. Once all information is filled out, agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to finish the registration process. You will receive a confirmation email to activate your account. Open the email and click the activation link provided. After activation, return to the Namecheap website and log in. Navigate to your account dashboard to manage your domains. Under Domain List, find the domain you just registered. Click on the domain to access management options. Here, you can set up DNS settings, privacy protection, and more. Explore the various tools available for domain management productivity. Familiarize yourself with the user interface for seamless navigation. Consider adding any additional tools that suit your workflow. Your domain is now registered and ready for management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.